to another episode on the Traders One series. My name is Success Obona, your host on this Traders journey. Guys, I know the market has been very crazy, and I've seen other persons giving report telling success. I lost some money. NFP crashed a lot of traders yesterday. Guys, getting a lot of complaints. Somebody lost all the profit he had made over through the week to recover some of his losses, or even to enter another basic this week. And a lot of questions I've been getting on my DMs, Mr. Success, what is next? What is going on? And is there what is really going on in this market? It's still really tradable, or should we just stay out? And if you're kind of one of those persons asking these questions, ensure to subscribe to this channel, turn notification, give this video a like, and also leave me a comment, because I am sure by the end of this video I will have done justice to all that questions. Right? So you would want to stick to the end, because there are so many more important stuffs I need to share with you here on this channel. So guys, again, a big shout out to the Forex Mastery students, and a big shout out to those who are on the Trade and Grow With Challenge. And again, a big shout out, guys, to me, because my birthday was on Thursday and I have an offer going on, guys. I'm so excited, just like you're excited that you listening to me, guys. I have some massive discounts going on across all my digital products, from my courses, my books, my mentorship programs, my coaching sessions, my consultancy sessions, and everything is going on some massive discounts. And if you feel not taking advantage of that, use the link down below, because it's expiring soon, right? And so everything is going back to its normal price, almost 50% discount. I've not taken almost actually 50% discount on all my courses, from the Forex Mastery course, the Crypto Mastery course. Even the new course I'm doing right now is going on some crazy discount. Right, my new book is also on a crazy discount. So everything is just on some crazy discount to celebrate my birthday. So if you love me, if you love what I've been doing here, if you love how the works I've been doing here, I've been helping you, ensure you go take one of these offers, right? One or two or more, right? You can even choose to take all, because everything, my teacher products are just crazy amazing. All my services are crazy amazing. So you don't want to be left out of the party, guys. So go join the party, go grab your own. So guys, again, back to the business of the day. What is really going on in the market? Why is the market going the way it's going? Again, I've told you guys this before. I've shared this with you, that this isn't the season where you want to stay in the market for long. Right? It's a season for scalpers. It's a season for day traders. Right? You don't want to be this is not a season you want to be swinging any position. Right? You want to be swinging the market. It's not a season you want to be swinging the market or taking positions overnight, over the weekend, and all that. No. Right? It is hit and run. The market lately is just hits and lole. You know what they say, lole or Nico. Alright, guys, so the thing is, the market situation or structure right now, right, from a technical standpoint, because everything I'm saying right now is from a technical standpoint, right, isn't it? Although it's expected, because price have been on a major significant level. That the zone my price is at the moment is one of the strongest levels you have in the market. So oftentimes these strong zones is where a lot of manipulations happen. Right, so to be safe, right? If I've said this over and over time, strong support and resistance are always those where big manipulations happen. This where the market players want to really hunt you. Actually, if you are one of those who trade the 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, you are not saved, right? A lot of you guys are crying, your accounts are crying. Right? So, but if you trade from the higher time frame perspective, like I come here to show you every weekend like this, you see the structure. That this structure is not favorable. It's not the structure you'd want to be involved with, right? But then daily there are also small opportunities, because I've been trading, right? Although I was not a victim of the NFP effect yesterday, because I wasn't in the market at all. I told my guys in the Trade and Grow With Challenge that I'm expecting some craziness in the market, so I wouldn't want to be a part of that. And definitely, and those of you listening to me right now, you know what happened right afterwards. I was proven correct, I was proven right. There was nobody was celebrating about any NFP, because even those who sold, who made the money and chose to hold, thinking the market has reversed, the market has continued trading downwards, after reversed back and took all that money away from them. Alright, so guys, it's just crazy. So the thing is, what should you be doing? What should you do? Again, I've said that I've said that before, be the be a day trader for this season. For this season's sake, just be a day trader. Be the hit and run kind of trader, and you'll be good, right? Always take profits. No, don't say in this season, if you've not learned anything, learn this. Always take profit after every significant move in the market. Take that shit profit, even if it's $1, because if you're in Nigeria, you know that $1 is a big deal, right? $1 is a big deal. $10 is a big deal. If you make $10 profit, that is 10k. Alright, that is 10,000 in naira. So guys, you know that every small, those small profits are no longer negligible. There's no small, because with what is going on now in the economy is it means that it's going to be more difficult to be able to make deposits. And for you to be able to even get the money to deposit, it's going to be more difficult, because $100 that used to be just 40k is currently 100k. With what they are for you to make deposits, so you know you would want to really get you want to be more disciplined and more thorough on on risk management. You want to be big. You want to go in big on risk management, right? Again, guys, if you've not getting grabbed any of my courses, because for a lot of you guys, one of the reasons I see you guys have been struggling with the market repeatedly is because, one, you don't have the education yet, and number two, you've not gone to the hands of a mentor. You've not gone to the hands of someone with experience to walk you through the market, right? This could be the reason why you're struggling. This could be the reason why you're making all the mistakes you're making right now. So please ensure you subscribe. Take advantage of my birthday offers, right? Take advantage. I want to host you. I want to have a session with you. I want to talk to you. I want to help you align. I want to help you align to see the things I need you to see in the market, right? So guys, again, I'll be taking you guys to the chart, to my chart, and you'll be seeing just what I need you guys to see for the week, and how you should plan, how you should actually position yourself for this new week. So guys, see you guys on my next screen.
Guys, welcome back to my screen. Well, welcome back to my screen, guys. And you know how I do it here, guys. I'm going to be taking you guys to through a tour on the market, so you see just for yourself what exactly and why exactly the market is doing what it is doing, right? And what you should be what you are, what I expect to see you do in this new week. So guys, I'm so excited. So guys, let's jump right in, right? So from the monthly time frame, you can see how that the XY, right, one of our major indicators where we get to set our projections USDPS, right? So you see how that this guy from the monthly time frame seem to have kind of broken out of this range, right? Although we didn't break out the way we should, but again, it's just very much early in the month, so there are a lot of actions that I should be expecting in the month. It just happens, it's just the first week of the month that we've done of October that we've done, so there are more actions to. Let's see then what's the market doing, because you can see my projection from here is that the market is going to be, I'm expecting market to hit to this point. But from what we are seeing from both the weekly time, from this weekly time frame, last week closed with a should I call it a, is it a gravestone doji now? What do you call this kind of doji now? Right, and it shows you in a way that there are strong sellers around this area. Whereas a strong indication of the presence of sellers, and also this candlestick shows you also the exhaustion of buyers. So if you've taken the Forex mastery course, so any of my courses, the first one of the first things I tweet is candlestick psychology, to help you really understand what is, because what the market is saying, because the language of the market is in these candlesticks, right? So your job is is to be able to understand this language, right? So you can also you will know what is expected of you to do. So this showing the a sign of execution. So for me to you take it for free, right? Although this was my projection that we're going to be getting here, but with what we are seeing here, right? This is the first bearish doji, right? This is a very strong sell signal, showing us on the weekly time frame or a higher time frame for that matter. And the first candle, bearish candle we are seeing after 11 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11 bullish weeks, we are seeing introduction of a strong bearish a strong bearish sellers presence in the market. For the first time we are seeing that on the US dollar anyways, right? There's seen a strong presence of sellers on the US dollar, and which means that the market we're going to be seeing a change in the narrative of the market, which should bring us to the point where we expect a change in the narrative of the market. So go to the daily time frame to see. You agree with me that okay, fine. From the daily time frame, market has really kind of fallen too, right? So we might, although currently it's more like we are resting on a trend line, but then this trend line is not exactly a valid trend line. It's not so much. Even if we are trending up, I just put it there for to look at some prices expecting it. But I feel and I also expect that I will see price around this major base, right? Price is going to touch on this base, and there might be a pullback from there, or we break it and come back to this range. That is just it, guys. Right. So this is the new narrative I need you guys to start looking at. Right. So start looking at. So this was what happened. NFP we go full. People were shouting before them. So it took both up and down. Both up and down. Everybody collect. Right. So this is it from the 4 hour from from the XY and let me just show something. So you can see how that by structure. Even if you're looking like we are trending upward, right? Sitting up, touching this trend line, the bulls seem to want to show themselves, right? But I won't be banking on this yet, right? Until we are price is able to clear out of this or close above this bearish candle. Yes, price will be able to close above this bearish candle. Then I can say, okay, fine, this is a bounce. But if not, there is high tendency I'm going to break this trend line, break this strong support level, and we see price bleeding, right? And we see price bleeding down on the US dollar index. So you want to watch this space carefully by Monday or Tuesday to see what's going to really happen, right? And this will give you an opportunity to go in early to be one of the sorry guys to be one of the early benefactors of the drama in the market. So this now is let's look at JPY basket. JPY basket has been crazy. JPY pace have been crazy, really crazy. They've been really crazy. This was like a range I put them, and you can see just last week market went as this high and crashed back down in on JPY basket. So from the daily time frame, you see that this means that this whatever was done here is not was nullified. Is nullified. So the structure is not just structuring in any way that makes sense. So this is why I'm not really interested in JPYPS because they are not just structuring at all. Their structures is not structuring. Their structure is not structuring at all. So guys, I'm not really interested in them. So generally the attention right now should be on USDPS. So forget about any other thing. And even this USDPS, you need to be very careful, right? You need to be very careful so you don't get yourself burnt. Alright, so Euro USD is my favorite guy. Or you can see what Euro USD has been doing. So since we go to this level, price although is when it looks as though price is selling, right? When we got here, I took some shots to make some money. Because as though price was selling, but you can see that this zone is proving to be a very reliable zone. It's proving itself to be more reliable by the day. Proving itself to be more reliable by the day, but I'll be more serious with the buying opportunity if I can see price above let me see. Let me introduce my Fibonacci. We can see price actually above here, right? Above this, just around above here, around this area. Price could just go and maybe around here, come down like this, around this green red bar. Now I would want to take, I'll be more interested to buy around here because I feel it has broken the trend line. Right? I'll be more comfortable to buy around here. But for now, just be really be observant, and this is what I expect a lot of you guys to do more lately. Don't be in a hurry to execute tweets, right? Don't be in a hurry. And if you must trade less, right? Take your time to watch the market. If you really want to make money from the market this season, you must be very patient, right? It's gonna this is it's one that's gonna stretch your patience in the market, right? It's gonna stretch your patience. So you really want to take it easy, right? So from the 4 hour time frame, you can see that it has just been drama, or if you're looking at this on the 15 minutes, I wonder what you're seeing. 15 minutes or 5 minutes, I wonder what you are seeing. But for me, you can see clearly that this market is just not aligning. So this is why I would want to see it after the break of this trend line again. After the break of this trend line, then I'll be more comfortable, more relaxed to actually do anything on this market. That is for the buys. Why for if it comfortably breaks or clears out of this area, right, between these two green levels. It's like for me, it's like a range. So the price can clear out of this area, either above or below a hand, then I might consider doing something with it. Like I would want to consider coming to the market. So till then, I'm not really interested in whatsoever is going on in between. I'm not interested in what's going on in between. So stop forcing it. So I stop forcing to it. Stop forcing yourself in the market. Let it come to you, guys. Let it come to you. Let it come to you. So the next one is GBP USD. So also GBP USD from the monthly time frame. Let's see it. How to say it? Look, what is it saying? We are also on this major zone. You can see this level, how important this level is. The price is at the moment. So this is why it's just crazy. It's just crazy difficult for price to just break it just like that. But from the weekly time frame, you can see that as we've come in, we've came and for several weeks we've been struggling, and now we got here and we are forming something like a tweezer bottom. It's giving us like a tweezer bottom. Those of you who is to Forex Master students, you know what this means, right? Tweezer bottom. So you know what this is calling for in the market, right? And this is happening on a significant zone, guys, right? So look at it from the daily time frame. So you can see how there is a build up from the buyers. The buyers are building up, seriously building up. So for me, at this junction, the fact that these levels have been able to withstand the tornadoes or the tides. Yes, that's right. That's what I'm looking for. The tides of the market. It means that there is something important. This level is saying it means we should be looking out to buy more, to long more. Since price is finding difficult to push short to break it. Right? The fact that price is finding difficult to really break this level, it means that this level is something you would want to pay attention to. Right? So for me, before I pay attention, before to take it seriously, again, I like to set my own conditions. Right? I like to set my conditions. So uncle, I'll tell it to uncle, oh, clear out of this range, just like EU. You can see how EU and GB are just similar. Just clear out of this drama that you're doing. I might start considering you afterwards. Clear out of this drama. Rather break above, and possibly if you can break it out of this trend line, fine. But if it breaks above this range and possibly gives a retest around this green bar, I would want to take it up. Right? So this was that about this, and this might take some time to happen to materialize. So this is why that's why in the trade and grow rich challenge, we are not rushing anything. We take our time, and when we go in, we know we are in. You know that Odogos are in the market, right? You know that Odogos are in the market. So guys, so that's all about this, about GBP USD. So the next one I want to look at you to see is a AUD USD. Let's look at it from the monthly time frame. So this pair has not been my best of pairs, but it has also been an interesting pair to watch. Right? It has been a very interesting pair to watch. Right, so since this year, actually, we've just been playing. Price has just been playing around here. Right, so I'm taking some correct. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. No, well, this October, October, no, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January. So since this year, we have just been inside here, just a plane inside here. We're not even going to be able to touch this zone, this base since this year. We have not touched here. So you can see price is trying to force its way to touch here, but it's not, right? So the thing is, 8 years has not been the best of peers to really trade, right? And I've only been trading it once, right? Once, and you can see it's just been moving from range to range. So from this range, we came here to this range. Now we are if we break down, we're going to be creating another range on this support level, which might take a lot of time to happen, right? So look at what is going on. Look at this range. Look at this drama that is going on. So go to the daily time frame to see for yourself. So the market is doing. We look like we've broken it, but look, but just like a fake out, and we're coming back inside this range. Right, coming back inside this range. On the 4 hour time frame, you see all the Higi all the Higi Yagas. So from the 4 hour time frame, you can see for yourself that this is not just it's not just adding up. So in my see price actually, since we've broken this zone and we are looking like we are sitting above it, so definitely you should be projecting open to see price touch this level. So you want to look for more buying opportunities around there, maybe to this zone here, maybe. Right? So that's that about AUD but then structurally it doesn't make sense. It's the last thing I would want to look at in the market. Last pair I would want to trade right now because of this, because it's not just giving me the vibe I want to see, right? So the next car I want to see is gold. So gold has been quite one of the most interesting assets, right? One of the most interesting assets lately. So gold has been trying to drop for the months now, trying to drop. We got here, and this is for the reason that we can't explain why it seems to be experiencing some hiccup around this zone. This green bar I drew here, I mapped here, and I mapped it here live with you guys. You can watch my previous videos to see that to see for yourself. Let me clear all these lines here. Maybe you can hear this one. So you can see where we are and how we are where we are. So look at AUD gold now is showing you that there is a bounce around this level, right? But then don't get so excited yet. But I would prefer to see something before I can say we buy. So right now I wouldn't want to call you in yet to buy gold also. But from the time frame, it's looking good. Even if it's looking good, right? Again, what I have to do is cage this dude, right? Cage this dude. But let's see what happens, right? Is it going to break out of this cage or what is it going to do? So I would want it to really, I won't want to, guys, this is not, again, I won't want to rush anything, drag anything. A dollar is now 1,000 naira. So if losing $1 is like using 1,000 naira, right? Losing $10, that's more $10 your loss is 10K. That's small 20K. $20 is 20K already. So guys, it's a system where you wouldn't want to really be forcing anything on the market, right? You don't want to be forcing anything on the market. Just take it easy peasy, right? When we take it easy peasy. So the next thing is BTC. Let's look at BTC from the weekly, right? From the monthly itself. Let's see from the monthly. So from the monthly time frame on BTC, it's actually looking good. More like we come down lower. This is the lower high. Come up again, another lower high. Might go back up again, start playing around this zone as another new lower high, possibly, right? So this is it from the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, we are still close to the serious to the four-legged doji. The four-legged doji. So this is not. This means that this is a complacent decision from the market. This is a full testament of indecision from the market. So from the daily time frame, market is just giving vibes that are not so vibing, right? So I want to really this is not the best. This is not the best of pairs you want to trade right now. The way BTC is aligned is not in the best of form for you to want to take it out, but if you insist on taking it out, good luck to you. But for me to this me saying I will not trade in a structure like this. I will not. So I won't want to put my emotions under the duress. So once the structure is not clear, it's not making sense to you, it doesn't make sense to me. This avoid it. It's as simple as that. Trading is not hard. A lot of times you are the ones who your haste is your own doing, right? So if you don't understand this, wait, close the laptop, go do something else with your time. So guys, again, I trust you guys got so much value from here. So I have some very important information to pass to you guys on my next screen. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. And there's a peer or analysis that you want me to analyze for you, drop that on the comment section for me, and I'll be so glad to look at it together with you. So guys, see you guys on the next screen.
My screen. I trust you guys got so much value. You've seen my chart, you've seen my projections, you've seen just all the amazing pairs I am looking at, and I advise you guys to trade likewise. Right? Again, guys, my birthday offers. I'm kind of stressing on this with this video, so forgive me if you're getting tired of it. My birthday offers are still on, if you are still on, take advantage, I know I'm stressing on this because we're going to the end, or towards the end of the year, and all the things you want to invest in this period is on your education, where you want to really get this thing right. Because guys, listen, if you're at the verge of giving up, don't quit, because this shit is real. There's a shitload of money to make on this thing in this market. There's a shitload of money for you to make in this market, but how and where to position yourself to get this money, to pack this money, it's only available it's only available when you bank on higher knowledge, when you bank on those who have the results, who have what you are looking for. And this is why I need you not to sleep on these offers I'm giving you. 50% discount on all my offers, on all my courses, all my books, all my programs. Right, 50% on all my digital products. You don't want to joke with that. Right, you don't want to joke with that. And one very important thing also you don't want to joke with is subscribing to this channel if you've not done that. Those of you watching my video, just watching my video for the first time, subscribe to this channel. And also leave me a comment. Right, if there's something you want me to address, and maybe a challenge you want me to discuss and drop it for me on the comment section. I'll be so glad to discuss all that on my next episode. So guys, from me to this, we say have a great week and don't sleep on the offer. Jump now on the link right down below to take advantage of my offers. Right, the link down below to my social media page. Actually, visit the link to my social media accounts, right, to see my pinned post on all the discount. Right, visit my social media account and Success Open on Facebook. Right, so I just on Facebook, that's where I have that offer. Just so Success Opener, again, Success Opener on Facebook, to go grab the offer. Right, I am giving on all the massive discount I'm giving on my courses, my programs, my every. So guys, rush. See you there guys next week, and also have a great week, money making week ahead.